In this video, I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. Now, on your profile, you need to tap this three-line menu and then go to settings. And on settings, you need to go to privacy and turn this toggle button on to make your Instagram account private. And as you can see, with a private account, only your followers will be able to see your posts, but anyone can message, tag, or mention you. And you will only be able to tag people who follow you. And on this same screen, you can make other private settings on all these sections to make your account even more private. And to make your Instagram account public again, you just need to turn this toggle button off. And as you can see, if you had paid the follow requests when you had a private account, then the requests will be approved automatically unless you delete them. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Instagram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.